guys, so I'm gonna do a tutorial on these stickers. So yeah, so you will need scissors, tape, clear tape, a memo sheet. I got it from Peep Bear, and it's really cute. So I'll just show you what to do on this one. Oh my gosh, this is so cute. This one and this one, and today I'm using the last one. So yeah, so you just cut one out. I'll just cut the macaroons because they're really cute. Okay, so macaroon. And just cut the axis and just trim some of it so it's pretty. Okay, when you're done with that, just put this aside and then get the tape and pull and just tape it on. Okay. This way. Okay. So just get that. Just put it on this, that, and if there's excess, just cut it off, and then put it on the bottom because the bottom needs it. Okay. When you're done, the picture like this, you have to do the back. So yeah. And you have to check if there's like air bubbles. Oh my gosh, it's stuck. Okay. Okay. Just cut it off. And then just paste it. And just cut it off once again. Okay. Then just one more. Okay, when you're done, just trim it. And it's gonna be really cute. Okay, when you're done that, if you want to make a sticker, just do this, make a loop, and then just paste, put it here, in the middle maybe. Yeah, probably. And see how long? Depends. Like that. And then just trim it off, excess. And doesn't matter how ugly it is on the back, because of course you won't see the back. So yeah, here you got your sticker. Let me just grab a piece of paper. Okay, wait a minute or so. Okay, a letter. I don't know why. But I did. So here's it. Just put it on. Like that. Oh my gosh. It's gonna be so cute. Yeah. Ooh. And when you rip it off, you just get the loop. So, and this, if you can see it, it stayed on. Let me see if I can rip it. Oh yes, I can actually. Okay. Oh gosh. I ripped it. But yeah. I hope you like this tutorial. So please comment, rate, and subscribe. Bye.